Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fit for Nails. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my nail design number 8, which is inspired by one of the pro drifting drivers of Formula Drift.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now I'm gonna create a design in the pointing a middle finger.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now I'm gonna glue these pictures in the ring and pinky finger.
Perfect.
This is how it looks after I apply the clear acrylic powder and file all the nails out of camera. Now we'll apply and cure out of camera the glass finish gel. This is how this nail design looks after I apply and cure the glass finish gel. Now I will be showing you the beauty shop video of this nail design.
A cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana.
This is the final result for today's nail design. The project driver name that I chose for this nail design is Jhonnattan Castro. He's from Dominican Republic. He has been competing drifting for 6 years now. And he's the only pro drifting Latin driver competing in Formula Drift. This is all for today's video. Thanks so much again for being here with me. The name of the products that I have been used for this nail design video are down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And comment down below what do you think about Jhonnattan Castro's drifting car. I will see you in my next video. Bye!